Hello, ladies in the Savvy Builders group. I'm happy to be with you today, showing you some more about the WordPress dashboard. We will be looking at Elspeth's website because she has a lot of updates to do. So I'll go in there and show you how to do that. Let's just get it done. As you can see from here, she has 18 updates to do. So I haven't checked anything here yet. So everything is new to me as much as it is to you. So just clicking on updates to see what is going on. And it's taking a little bit of time. Just a second here. All right. We have a WordPress update available here, and we're going to hope that Elspeth has done a backup on her site lately, because every time you update your WordPress, you should make sure that you have a backup, a recent backup. So we're going to go here, and you can update to WordPress 4.1 automatically or download the package. Well, it's much easier to do it automatically. So we'll just go and click Update Now. And it takes a few seconds to process. While that's up, WordPress updated successfully, so this is fine. And when this pops up, it's just to show you new stuff that comes with the update. You can go through that yourself and see what it's all about. So then I'm going to go to form to see what's happening there, because she's got one red little light here. So you have three inactive themes on your site. Inactive plugins and themes present a security risk. While we're seeing this, I'm going to talk to you about that. Um, in your plugin list, you will see that there are updates to be made every once in a while. I'm going to go to the plugins so you can see. It will show up as, well, usually it's red or orange, and it will show this little wheel that says there's a new version of the plugin available. Now, it's important for you to update the plugins as they come up, because if you don't, they can really, they can potentially uh, cause a security issue with your site. So even if the plugin is deactivated, you still need to update it. Keep it updated at all times. And that is for security reasons. So here she has quite a few plugins, so I'm just going to go with this one here. Estimate is to external links, Google Analytics, Gravity Forms, Jetpack, redirection, resize image, just hasn't done these for a while, so there are quite a few. Okay, so they're all selected, I think. You just go to the bottom here where it says bulk action and update, and then you apply. What it's going to do is deactivate the plugin, each plugin, and update it and reactivate. Sometimes you need to go in and reactivate yourself. So yeah, things Oh, it's still thinking it's not done, so we'll wait a few minutes here. And it's showing that the updates were done. Let's just go look again in the plugins to see, to make sure that they've all been done. So now the line is all blue, so that is fine. Let's from here. This one here, you have 3 inactive teams on your site. These need to be updated too. It doesn't matter if you're only using one and how many you have just stored there for whatever. You need to update all of your teams all the time. So you just go to appearance here and then go to teams. And this is the one she's got active. And this is the one that has an update available. Now let's see how do we upgrade that one. Update available. Update now. Okay. If it's a team that you're sure you'll never use again, just delete it. No sense in keeping it there for nothing. So returning to team page. And it's been updated. So I guess this just stays there. So she's got one comment. I'm going to leave it there because I don't know what she was blogging about and if it's appropriate. So she'll just go in and check it herself and see if it's spam or to be approved. Now, while we're looking at plugins and stuff, I'm just going to share with you a plugin that I use once in a while to help me see how the plugins are soaking up the juice of my site, and I consider if they're worth keeping or maybe getting rid of, depending on how much juice they use. So I'm just going to go to search plugin, and the name of the plugin is P3 Plugin Performance Profiler, and I'll search for that, and it's right here. It's a plugin by GoDaddy.com, and you'll see why it's such a useful plugin. I just keep it activated when I want to use it. The rest of the time I deactivate it. So it's just on my site, but I make sure that it's always updated. So activate the plugin. Now it should be showing up right here. It's in Tools, Plugin Profiler. Just go into the settings, and it just shows how many plugins you have, all the information on the plugins. But what we want to do is start a scan, and you'll see what's going to happen. Gives you really a great view of each plugin and their use, if they're worth it or not. I get rid of those that take too much juice from my site because they make my site go too slow. So I have to weigh the cost. Do I want the plugin or do I want my site to go a little bit slower? So you just decide which one is more important to you. So it's just going through all the plugins to see um, how it's operating on your site. It's almost done. Just a few more seconds. You can see here where it says one or more plugins have been activated or deactivated. Please empty the page cache. So that's a good thing to do too. It cleans up the old memories on your site and making it go more faster. So we're going to go see the result. Okay, so this is interesting because now you can see Gravity Forms take up this much space. This is Backup Buddy. Jetpack by WordPress, that takes a lot of room on your site. So that is one that you have to evaluate to see if it's worth keeping for the stats or if you just want to get rid of it and use Google Analytics instead. This one here is Slide Deck. Takes up a lot of space also. WordPress Cache, that's good. WordPress SEO, you need that. Mobile plugin, and this is other whatever else that's on the site. They're all combined in here. So the only one here that might be something that you would consider taking out is the Jetpack. So evaluate the pros and cons and decide what you want to do. So I'm going to go empty the page cache. That's thinking, okay. And now we're going to go back to plugins. And we're going to go deactivate the P3 profiler. So deactivate that. You just need to activate it when you want to run it on your site and see how you're doing. The rest of the time, just keep it off. Alright, so everything is updated in here. Some in the group were asking about fonts, how to change fonts, colors, etc. And we're just going to go and have a quick look in there to show you what you can do. So we're going to go to one of Elfet's hosts. And I think I'll just go to mine and you can see a lot better. Just one second here. Okay, here we are on one of my pages. We're just going to have a quick look to see what you can do. We talked about the headings last week, so you know all about that. I've got a plugin installed that's called gFont, and in that plugin you get a lot of different fonts that you can use. So that is an option for you if you would like to have more fonts. These are your font size, how big you want them to be. And this comes with the G-Font plugin, and it's just something that gives like special effect. Let's just say this is the fire animation that you can give to a title. That would be more for maybe like a landing page or something like that. Or a regular blog post. I can use that. So I'll just put a little shadow on my title. I'll say we go out with keywords. Octane, something like that. Well, yes, I do. Just a second here. I'm making a mess. It's caution script. Okay. I guess this is supposed to be black. There you go. Okay. I'll update that before I forget. Then you can bold it, make it italic, and these are bullet points or numbers for lists. These are for quotes, and this is your alignment. This is for your links. You want to add a link to whatever words or key phrases. And just a page, clear formatting, special characters, these are your colors. You can go into your custom colors, and if you've got numbers happening for your branding, you can just go in there. I'll just add one so you can see 103948. This is one that I use all the time. I'll just put this in the color. It just populated it right here. Oh, it didn't do anything. Sometimes you have to clear the formatting and start again. So I'll just center that, go back, make it blue, and then there. There you go. So this is it for today. For the colors and stuff, we might go through it again as we go through into the team, all the different things in the team options. So I hope you have learned something today, and next week I will be going into depth on other things in here, how to use those other options in your dashboard. So if you have any questions, come into the group and ask away, and looking forward to hear from you. Have a great day. Bye bye.